Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to question pertaining to the quantitative aptitude section of the paper. The question that we'll be dealing with is a DI or a data interpretation type question. Okay, so it's a very interesting one. So we'll take a look and try to identify the same as well. So if we talk about the section in general, the QA section in general particularly, this year round the questions seem to be a little bit on the difficult side. That is, they required a little bit more time to solve and required an in-depth understanding of the subject matter just to get the hang of it. Okay, so that way that in turn increase the complexity of the paper also. So having said that, what we'll be doing in this video is that we'll focus on a question from the DI section. We'll try and identify the kind of question that are being asked, and subsequently we'll try and solve the questions as well. Okay, so having said all of that, let's take a look at the DI. So it's a table based DI basically. We'll try and understand the question and subsequently solve them. Okay, study the following table. Okay, here given percentage of candidates qualified under discipline. Okay, these are all percentage given. Total number of candidates qualified. Okay, so 2464 64 plus 973 73 plus 81 plus 90. Okay, total 100% percentage wise distribution is given. Okay, increase in the number of candidates qualified under engineering discipline from 2009 to 2010 was. Okay, so we'll start off with number 66 first. Okay, so we have 2009 and we'll go to 2010 and we'll be focusing on engineering. Okay, in 2009 engineering constituted of 10% of 620. So 10% of 620, that is, it came out to be 62. Okay, and in 2010 it constituted 12% of 900. So 12% of 900. Okay, so 12% of 900 will be 90 plus 1% is 18. So 90 plus 18 comes out to be 108. Okay, so what are we asking? So increase in the number of candidates. So the difference, the increase in this case will be 46. So 46C will be our answer. Okay, pretty straightforward. So pretty easy question. I hope it is clear. Let's move to 67 now. The number of candidates qualified in science discipline was the lowest in. So science discipline. Okay, so we have say science. Okay, so we'll take up all the years 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010 and 2011. Okay, ideally we could have solved with only 4 years, but let's just do it for all the years. Okay, science is 40% of 780 in 2016. Okay, okay, 40% of 780, so that would be in 2016 is 312. Okay, in 2015 science is 42% of 650. So 42% of 650 would be 273. In 2008 it is 45% of 500. So 45% of 500, that would be 225. 2009 45% of 620, so that would be 279. 2010 35% of 900, so 35% of 900 would be 315. And finally 2011 42% of 850. So 42% of 850 would simply give us 357. Now If we look at this particular data, we can see in 2005 we have the lowest value of 225. So, or 2008 we have the lowest value. So 2008 will be the answer. So I hope this the way we solve this question is clear to you. It's a very basic DI. So if you have any doubt, just go through the video. It will be clear. Okay. Having said that, in case you're looking for a detailed solution of the entire paper, feel free to go through the description of the video, wherein you will find a bunch of details pertaining to getting in touch with us. Okay, feel free to do that. And also, if you have any kind of doubt with respect to your competitive exam preparation for any exam for that matter, so if you have doubt in this regards, any exam regarding any subject wise, any topic wise, any concept wise explanation, if you need, feel free to connect with us. We'll be more than happy to help you. Okay. Having said that, if you like the video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. So with that all being said, I'd like to sign out. Thank you so much.